Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek. I hope you're having a fantastic day out there. What I want to talk to you about, I'm in Maui, Hawaii right now, and I just want to tell you it's beautiful. I don't know where you are in the country, but it's the start of another great day here in Hawaii. If you've never been here, I highly recommend it. In life, a lot of us may think when we're younger what we want to do with our lives when we get older. Some people think about being a doctor, an astronaut, a professional athlete. But so often in life, we take another path. Maybe we choose a different career. Maybe we choose a different job or profession. Maybe we get up every day and we're not happy with what we're doing in life. I can tell you, I really enjoy doing real estate consulting. I have worked with people coast to coast. I'm working with people right now in Hawaii, Alaska. I really enjoy what I do because I feel like sometimes it really makes a difference in people's lives when they tell me and they experience kind of just a different mindset of what they can do. It gives them a feeling like their current job or career isn't all that there is in life. There can be something more if they put the time and the effort into it. So if you're interested in learning more about real estate, if you think a consultant or a mentor or a coach could help you, I really enjoy working with people all over from coast to coast. I enjoy coming to markets and working with people for a few days. If that's something you want to find more out about, feel free to contact me. I'd love to talk to you, see if it's something that we can put together a plan or a package that would work for you. Until next time, go out there, make it a great day, believe and achieve. It's Joe Jurek saying take care. Bye-bye.